Hello and welcome to today's watercolour demonstration. This is a continuation from the last video where we looked at making this palette, the Daniel Smith palette that I've put together, and that is basically a tonal value one. Although we got the original colours in there, I put other colours in that will help with tonal value. So we're going to now do a demonstration of what this palette can do. Now just put that off to the side. This picture here that I'm doing, I was in Barnsley town centre and we were having all sorts of creative things going off that day, and a lady were doing one of those living statue performances, and I think she was dressed as Florence Nightingale, but you can see off here to the right that there's a photo of her. She was in what's called the Glass House, which is a new shopping area in Barnsley, and it's got lots of glass, obviously. So I thought it'd nicely contrast between this statue and this modern glass area. So that's his task for today, and we'll make a start with that. We'll speed this painting up a bit and put a bit of music on, so see you at the other side of this demo. We're coming close to the end of the painting now. So the real-time video took about 46 minutes to paint, not including drying time for various other things as well. Now the painting's done, let's have a look at a high resolution scan of the end painting. It's a lot more vibrant than what you can see on the video, with subtle deep blues that on the video sometimes come out a bit too dark, but we can see that we can get some really nice values within this image. So I think that's pretty much a success. It weren't exercising trying to get absolute detail or anything like that. I just wanted to test the new palette that I've made, and that really brings an end to this particular project. We can move on now to using the palette as and when we need to use it. So thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you in the future. Bye.